Hello, it's Cassie here with Trinity Stamps, and I'm so excited to be sharing a product release video for the June Trinity 3rd birthday party release. Now let's take a closer look at the new Wildflower Clippings standalone die set. This 24-piece die set has a wide array of floral and foliage dies to help complete your card designs. This die set would be perfect all year round, and think of the possibilities with the different pieces, how you could layer them up together or do different color combinations or whatnot, but there are so many possibilities and it just gets me excited thinking about a die set for all different seasons. Now let's go ahead and make a quick card using these pieces. I'm going to assemble the flowers together using some of the inside pieces along with the florals as well. I have a piece of cardstock that I have cut down to 4 inches by 5 1/4 inches, and I have stamped the brand new 6x6 rubber cling stamp called Encouragement Text on the background using some fade out ink. And then now I'm just going to attach those flowers where I think they're going to look good, just using a little bit of liquid glue. Think of the possibilities if you tried to use some foam tape or something like that. You could really build up a bouquet of really pretty flowers. There's so many options. In fact, some of the design team has done some really cute things with this and some of the other new products that came in this release. All right, so now for our sentiment, I am going to be using the supporting script sentiment. So those that you're seeing there come from that brand new stamp set. I'm going to add a couple little leaves to it. These could be used as leaves, or I've also seen them used as buds as well, which is super cute. And then we're going to attach this to an A2 card base, just using some more of that liquid glue. And then that red flower that you see there that has the leaves, that's going to be attached to the inside. So let's go ahead and take a look at this card that I made for you today. And then let's take a look at what the design team has done for you. So many great examples. So check out the Trinity Stamps blog, Facebook page, and Instagram for more crafty inspiration. Thanks for stopping by, and I hope you have a great day.